How to enable call screen feature on Android phones. Hey everyone, welcome back. The call screen feature on Android phones helps you screen unknown calls by using Google Assistant to answer and provide a transcript. It's perfect for avoiding spam calls or robocalls. Here's how you can enable it. First, open your phone app, then tap on the three dots at the top right. From the pop-up, select Settings. From settings, you want to go over to spam calls or something similar to this. You can find something similar to that. I have this setting called text call. This can answer calls without saying a word. It's a voice assistant that will ask the caller why they're calling, and you'll see that they say in a text chat what they say in a text chat, and then you can type or tap response that they will be able to read aloud to the caller. If you want to turn it on, tap on this turn on option. You can select different languages from here, and you can change your voice as well. Now you can even add quick responses for these kind of calls, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.